Hello everybody, welcome back to another Pack a Day video. Today we're opening up another Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection trading card pack. This came from a blaster, so we're looking for Horde and Molten Core parallels, specifically exclusive to the blaster box. We'll take there. Alright, right off the rip, we got Overwatch Pharah. Oh, and Overwatch Tracer. Nice, nice. Then we got Nemzi Necrofizzle from Hearthstone. Ooh, Probe from Starcraft. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is a Horde Red. So let's get a nice little sleeve for that. The Horde Red Probe. Then we got Artanis from Starcraft as well. Then we got Senjin from World of Warcraft. Sorry if I'm butchering any names. Then we got Lurker from Starcraft. And then this card's pretty cool. Elaine Rin, sorry. I do like the art on that card, it's cool. But yeah, there you have it. A pack of Blizzard Legacy Collection trading cards. So don't forget to check out TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you like my videos, like, favorite, subscribe, follow. If you're looking for these cards, you can check out my eBay. I'll be putting probably the majority of them up. And until next time, peace out.